On this James the Bike Guy, we're taking a look at a Shimano CS-HG300 9-speed cassette. This is the 9-speed cassette that falls in line with the Shimano SORA group set, and the one we're looking at here is an 1132 format. So this cassette is fairly basic, but I still wanted to show it to you. So in the HG format, you can see that it's got an HG stamped right onto there, and then you're gonna have the wide range of tooth counts. So this is gonna go from a 32 to 28 to 24, 21, 18, 16, 14. Then of course you're gonna go down to a 12 and then an 11 tooth. So that's gonna be a really nice sweep through an 1132 cassette range, especially with only 9 speeds. Now on this HG cassette, you can actually see that it's set up where it's penned. So each of these steel cogs, which is nickel plated, is gonna be separate amongst them, but then they're all gonna be pinned together with these 3 pins to hold these sprockets all together. And that's gonna make installing this on your Freehub body quite a bit easier. Of course, your 12 and then your 11 tooth are gonna be separate, and then because this is an HG cassette, it's gonna come with a pretty basic but durable steel lock ring. So now that we've taken a look at this cassette, let's go ahead, place it on our scale, and we'll see what this cassette weighs in at. So this HG300 cassette, 9-speed in a 1132, is gonna come in and weigh 320 grams. Well, thanks for watching this video on the Shimano HG cassette. Go ahead and leave a comment down in the comment section below. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, and as always, click that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this into the future.